Welcome to solverfy.
We have the information that exposed photograph that is properly exposed is taken at f/16 and 120 seconds, 1/120 seconds. And we want to know what is the opening if the shutter speed is 1000 seconds. So this is the shutter speed. This is the opening. So if we have 1/1000 seconds, what is the shutter speed? And because the exposure is proportional to the product of the lens opening area and the exposure time with the square of the f-stop number, inversely proportional to the lens opening area, setting the exposure equal for both exposure times, we solve for the needed f-stop number. So we get that T1 and f-stop 1 divided minus 2 is equal to T2 f-stop 2 at minus 2. So we get that f-stop 2 is equal to f-stop 1 square root of T2 divided by T1. And f-stop 1 is 16, so we got that 16 square root of 1 divided by 1000 by 1 divided by 120. And this gives us 50.24 equal to 50.6. So we get that the exposure needs to be f divided by 5.6.